Hi everyone, welcome back to the Instagram takeover here at Crayola with me at the Hedgehog Hollow. And today I'm going to be sharing with you some fun tips using these Crayola signature blend and shade colored pencils. You've got tons and tons of shades that you can blend together perfectly, and I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite tips with you. So here I have my stamp platform. Now you can either use a stamp platform or an acrylic block. Either works really well, but the reason I like a stamp platform is that I can stamp the same image over and over in exactly the same place if I make a mistake. So, and you can see there, I can stamp this one out a couple of times and it's all in exactly the same place. If I had an acrylic block, I couldn't do that. But with this Misti stamp platform tool, I can do this. I'm going to give it a quick dry with a heat tool. If you're doing this at home, just give it a couple of minutes to dry. Reason for that is so that I don't smudge it. Now let's go in with our blend and shade pencils. So let's start with some greens. I'm going to pick out a few shades here. So what I like to do is I like to go in with my lightest shade, like this. And what I'll do is I'll colour a few leaves at a time. You can see I can really do some bulk colouring to make my life easier. And you can see how buttery these pencils are, super easy. So if I wanted a pinkier colour at the tip, like this, so I'm going to colour my tips in pink. You can get something called Gamsol. And what it's going to do is almost going to like melt your coloured pencils together. And you see how it's now drawing that colour out. And now I have the perfect graduation from pink to purple. Isn't that so easy? So I'm going to colour the rest of this in. You're going to see it mounted into a card, so I'll be right back. Quick and easy to create a gorgeous card using these blend and shade color pencils. They have so many different shades in them that you can blend them together. You can also use my Gamsol trick, or you can use a couple of the other tricks I showed you in this video. So don't also forget to check out the rest of that signature range. If you see it in a tin, it's meant for the kind of adult range. There's pearlescent markers, there's oil pastels, there's so many different things to explore, and we're using more of them in this Instagram takeover too. So don't forget to check out the hedgehoghollow.com for all the supplies I used in today's video. I hope you enjoyed these tricks. Don't forget to follow along. I hope to see you over at the Hedgehog Hollow too, and I'll see you for more of the takeover later in the week. See you soon. Bye.